So just when we thought we've seen this all, Meta AI actually released a new feature. This is my Meta AI app. Can you believe this? You can now see and discover more people on your Meta AI. So right here is my discovery page on my Meta AI. You can now follow accounts on your Meta AI. You're welcome to AppFix&Aid. Looking right here on the screen is my Meta AI app, and right here at the top right corner you can go ahead and click on your profile. Now looking here is my profile, and this is my name on Meta AI. So recently Meta AI actually released a new feature which allows you to follow people on the app. So right here at the bottom of the screen you can see where it says discovery. You can see the discovery icon. Right here you can click and search for anyone. Now you can go ahead and search for AppFix&Aid and you'd be able to see me on Meta AI and follow me as well. Looking right here, you can see that this account was 5 hours ago, whereas this one was 2 hours ago, and this one was 5 hours ago. People are actually creating an account on Meta AI. You can now follow and like people's posts on Meta AI. This is actually a new feature, and I think it's very good for me to let my audience know as well. So you can go ahead and click on people's profile and view the posts they have actually posted on Meta AI, and you can also click on follow and follow them to see more of their posts. So if you haven't followed me on Meta AI, this is actually my account. Looking right here is my name, AppFix&Aid. So you can go ahead and search for my name as well and follow me. If you follow me, tell me on the comment section your name and I'm going to follow you as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Now for more helpful tips like this and for more updates, do it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.